Hello. Today we're going to learn about what a graphic novel is and how to read one. Starting here, question, what is a graphic novel? The answer is graphic novels have a few defining characteristics, but first and most importantly, they are long comic books. I'll get back to the rest. The next question, what is a comic book? Now you may think you know the answer to this one, but stick with me a few more minutes. A comic book is a magazine or a bound book that consists or contains comics, also known as comics with an X. Comics is a medium for expressing information and or artistic ideas that is defined by images and used in a sequence. Follow the red arrows to understand how to read a comic. They're used in sequence, and that is, however, comics often feature such things as word balloons and sometimes thought balloons. It is also common to have the sequential images delineated by panels, which are surrounded by lines called panel borders, like you see here. These techniques aren't necessarily to make comics, but they are quite common. There are other common, familiar, but even more optional elements of many comics, such as certain kinds of characters, like funny animals or superheroes, but I'll get to that in a minute. Here's how to read a comic. 1. Just as in our written language, you read the elements of comic starting with the upper left-hand corner of the page, and then you read across to the right, before proceeding down to the next row and then the next. Comics are a nested system. When you finish reading everything within one panel, you are to apply the same left to right, top to bottom reading order to the panels themselves. Hee. You even use some of the same rules for actions within a panel. Boo! Ah! You think you're funny, huh? Hee hee. Wait a minute. You may be saying, what about those superheroes? Okay, comics is the name of a medium like film or painting. You don't think film means movies about gangsters or cowboys, do you? Film is a way to express ideas, any ideas you want to express. Comics is like that. It's a container for ideas. Not a lot of vitamins in this kind, but you get a taste for it. My favorite flavor. I'm done talking about it. Okay, let's stop. Delicious and nutritious. Okay, so what is a graphic novel besides a comic book? Well, graphic means told in images, not naughty pictures. But novel is used less precisely. The term graphic novel is often applied to short story collections as well. I don't know why. I think novel is just used to mean long book. Hardcover or softcover, graphic novels have enough pages to read to need a square spine, so they can sit on the shelf with other books. The term is also sometimes used to imply adult-level content, i.e. comics are kid stuff, but graphic novels are for adults. But then sometimes they call long kids comics graphic novels too. But don't worry, the great thing about comics is you can get an idea of their content just by flipping them open.